In this video, we're going to talk about how to make $100,000 per year with internet marketing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz. In this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I've talked to a lot of people who've asked me all the time, Lester, how do you get to 6 figures per year with online marketing? In my opinion, there's actually 3 ways to reach 6 figures with internet marketing. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share with you my experience on what I believe is 3 of the simplest ways that you can start making money where you can get from $0 to $100,000 per year online. Now, before I jump into the video, be sure to download my free affiliate marketing guide below, where I'm going to show you how you can make $100 to $200 per day with affiliate marketing. It's completely free and you can download it by clicking the link in the description below. So if you talk about $100,000 per year, that's about $8,333 per month. If you break that down into 30 days, that would be about $277 per day. I know that probably sounds like a lot of money, but it's really not that much once you consider the possibilities and opportunities that you can find online. When I started online, I struggled my first 3 years to make my first $1,000 per month. That's because I was all over the place. I was testing different things. I was jumping from one thing to the other. I wasn't actually focusing on one thing that would provide me with that stable income. So if you want to build a $100,000 per year income, the number one thing you need to do is focus on the one thing that you really want to do. I'm going to share with you 3 different ways from which you can make $100,000 per year. If you check out some of my videos, then you know how I actually make 6 figures per year. And I do that through content marketing and affiliate marketing. I don't make $100,000 per year from a single source, but I do make over $100,000 per year from multiple sources and multiple income streams that I have built over the years. So here's strategy number 1, content marketing. This could be blogging, this could be video marketing, this could be starting a YouTube channel or a blog that becomes really popular and you're making money from the advertising that's showing that blog. As you know, I have multiple blogs that are making money every single month through advertising on Facebook through the Facebook monetization tool. It's called the Facebook Instant Articles program. If you want to learn more about this program, I have a bunch of videos that can show you how it works and how you can start making money that way. Also the Google AdSense program. But this entire strategy is all based on how much content can you generate on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis that can send you enough traffic for you to make $100,000 per year. One blog will provide me with $4,000 per month. Another blog is going to make less than $1,000, and I have multiple affiliate programs attached to those blogs, and I also have monetization tools, monetization platforms attached to it, like Google AdSense and the Facebook Audience Network and different other programs, apart from my own products and services that I do offer in those blogs. That combined income makes over 6 figures per year. Of course, that's not counting paying freelancers and hiring staff and taxes and all the stuff that you need to pay once you start running your own business. Now, if I were to start from scratch right now, what I would suggest to anyone who wants to make money with content marketing is to simply start a YouTube channel. There's more chances and a faster result to make money with YouTube than with any other source out there. YouTube allows you to leverage your time. Once you start creating videos, those videos will sit there on YouTube. They will continue to make money for you on a weekly, monthly basis for years to come. So if you really want to build a large content marketing business, then starting a YouTube channel is just one of the best ways to do that. You can also jump into Facebook and you can build Facebook pages, which is how I actually build my income, which is building multiple Facebook pages to over 100,000 likes. But that actually takes time, and I did it 3 years ago when it was actually a lot easier than today. So it might take you a little bit more time and a little bit more money to get to the level that I am right now using Facebook, but which is why I'm thinking that YouTube is a better option, because you can rank those videos on YouTube. You can get consistent views on your videos for years to come. Now, tip number 2, if you want to build a $100,000 per year income, is to create your own course. Personally, I don't have a course right now, but it's just one of the simplest ways that you can reach that level of income. Like I said earlier, it takes about $277 per day to be able to reach a $100,000 per year income. If you have your own product, if you're selling a service or a product that you're selling for $250 or $300, then one sale per day can easily make you reach that $100,000 per year income. I've seen internet marketing products from Shopify gurus that are teaching people how to make money with Shopify. There's also people on YouTube teaching people how to make money with Amazon FBA. There's people teaching how to make money with YouTube, how to grow YouTube channels. And those courses typically run between $250 to $500 to up to $1,000 to get access to those courses. So if you think about it, if you're just selling 1 to 2 courses per day, that could easily make you over $100,000 per year. Now you might be thinking, well, Lester, I don't have any skills. I don't know what to teach. This is why you need to master one skill. You can go on something like udemy.com and you can learn a skill. You can go through a whole Facebook marketing course and you can learn Facebook marketing. You can put up a course and you can sell it for $100, $200, whatever it is that you want to sell it. You can master that information, and once you master that, you can have a course that is putting money into your pocket every single month for something that you did. Let's say it took you 3 months to create that course, but the thing is, now you have something that doesn't really require that much attention, because once you create that course, it just continues to sell every single month. Tip number 3, and this is one of the best ways to do it if you don't want to create your own course, and this is with high ticket affiliate programs. High ticket affiliate programs typically run between $500 to $1,000 to get access. And what that means is you find a product that has an affiliate program that pays $500, $250, up to $100 per sale. So if you get 2 sales a day, 3 sales per day, 4 sales per day, that could easily get you to $100,000 per year. Now there's multiple affiliate programs out there. There's a ton of high ticket affiliate programs out there. It's a matter of choosing the right product or service that you want to promote to your audience. So if you have an audience, if you're building a YouTube channel, then you have to choose carefully. You just can't throw any affiliate product or any type of product service and expect people to buy it if it's not related to your audience. So you find a high ticket affiliate program that pays you, $150, $200, which you can find. There's plenty of them. You can go on Google and you can find some high ticket affiliate programs. You can go on YouTube and you can find YouTubers talking about high ticket affiliate programs. The thing about those high ticket affiliate programs is that it's usually a high-end service or a course or a membership where people pay $250, $500, $1,000 to get access to high valuable information. So you want to make sure that you have a clear understanding of what you're promoting. Now, if you're really good, if you have an audience on YouTube, if you have an email list, perhaps you have an audience on Facebook, and you have a large database of people, then you can easily make $200, $300 per day with affiliate programs. Now, if you don't want to promote high ticket affiliate programs, there's also low cost ticket affiliate programs like the ones that I promote in my affiliate marketing guide, which shows you how I actually made over $200 per day promoting a simple $20 program. So you don't necessarily need a high ticket affiliate program to make $300 per day, but just keep in mind that it takes far more sales to get to $200, $300 per day when you're only making $20 per sale. If you have an affiliate program that is paying $200 per sale, then you might only need just 2 sales per day to be able to make $8,000 to $10,000 per month. If you compare that to a program that pays you $20 per sale, then you might need 20, 25, 30 sales per day to get to that same level. So that's why high ticket affiliate programs are just one of the best ways to reach a $100,000 per year income. I make my living with content marketing and affiliate marketing. If you want to check out the details of how I do this, again, you can find my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. You can download it. You can go through the whole thing. I took about 3 weeks to create that free guide. I'm not charging anything for it. You can download it in the description below, and I'm sure it's going to help you. So with that said, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I try to upload videos on a weekly basis in regards to making money online and affiliate marketing, hopefully to teach you and inspire you to make money, chase your dreams, and be financially independent. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.